no guo turoiga ni ati community water project no ukorwo output ni 5 cubic na thitima ina goro muno na ringi matirahota koguo tuikaranitie hamwe na niguo niguo riu turaria tuhote guikara hamwe tuhote kumenya ati bata witu ni kuhe andu mai na community water project ikorwo irrelevant no matigakorwo ati ni turamaingirira undu uria wina bata muno ni kindu gitagwo participation, community participation. Mai makoragwo me magatatu koguo ngirora budget iyo hote kumigayania ni ukuona ati mai ni megukua bilioni kuma 3 kwambata na iguru na tuhote gukorwo tugayanĩtie andu othe mahote gukorwo ati mahote kuona mai
na niguo njuragia governor county governors ira tukiorania nao tukiharana nao tukimoria aba unjire ciaku ni cigana wikirite as a county governor nigatha ningwiriria national government irekera and I want to thank you governor because I've seen your budget na ni priority ta mai mari namba 3 ana oiga reke njuge mai kuria moimaga ni kundu very very precious koguo riu haria he mai ni hagirwo ku protect gwicira niguo kwendaga ngwire na ni twambiriirie ku protect areas icio twambiririe na Rwai ni mumioi muno. Rwai is now gazetted, is already gazetted as a prohibited area. Prohibited area is that is the highest level you can grant that's the highest status that you can give up an installation. It's almost like a military installation ati ungithi ku ni guthitangwo na watho uria ucio ndagweta koguo ni wega andu mamenye uguo na tuguthi tuthiite nginya kuria kwi matangi kuria kwi taru guku turi nigetha kuhota ku protect for our future generation. If you don't do that then there will be no water that gutiko na mai maiganu ma kuhe Kenya.